In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a reminder bot on Slack. If you've ever found yourself juggling multiple tasks and struggling to keep track of all your deadlines and commitments, you'll find this feature incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in and organize those reminders to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. First things first, Slack has built-in functionality that allows you to set reminders using simple commands. The beauty of this feature is its integration into any message field within Slack. So whether you're in a channel discussing project updates, in a direct message with a colleague, or even in your own conversation thread with Slackbot, you can set up a reminder in a blink. Let's walk through the process together. Whenever you want to set a new reminder, navigate to any message field. This could be the main channel where team members collaborate, a private direct message thread, or even the chat you have with Slackbot. Being able to do this anywhere makes it incredibly convenient. Once you're in the message field, it's time to type out the command that will create your reminder. The format is straightforward. You'll start with the word remind, following a slash. So it looks like this. Remind. From here, you need to specify who the reminder is for and what the reminder is about. If the reminder is for you, which in this case, it generally is, you can simply type me. So your command starts looking something like this. Remind me. After this, it's about describing the task at hand. For example, you want to remind yourself to call a client today at 3:30 p.m. You would type in, remind me to call the client at 3:30 p.m. today. This line is telling Slack exactly what you want and when you want it. Let's say you also want to remember to finish that report by next Tuesday. In this instance, the command would look like this. Remind me to finish the report next Tuesday. This allows Slackbot to understand the deadline you're setting for yourself. Once you've structured your reminder command, all that's left is to press enter. It's as simple as sending any other message on Slack. Once you hit enter, Slackbot does something magical. It immediately pops up with a private confirmation message, visible only to you. This lets you know that your reminder has been successfully created, and it's waiting in the wings to notify you exactly when you specified. With these reminders in place, you'll no longer need to worry about keeping everything in your head, freeing up mental space for more creative and critical thinking. Just remember to check your private messages when the appointed time rolls around, and Slackbot will be right there with your reminder, helping you stay on top of your to-do list effortlessly. It's a small step in writing commands, but a big leap in taking charge of your schedule.